Don't trust shadow too much when it comes to the strategy. Meaning, 10% lang talaga yung strategy natin. Always put some control over it. Mag-all-in talaga dyan. Yun nagpapatroma sa'yo as a trader. Kasi iba sabi nila mabagal yung reach. Mas lalong babagal kung masunog ka. Mas lalong babagal yung portfolio mo kung nasusunog ka. Iwasan mo yun. Don't trust shadow too much when it comes to the strategy. You can control list your allocation, your lot size. So meaning, 10% lang talaga yung strategy natin. So even it's effective for years already, always put some control over it. So mag-all-in talaga dyan. Yun nagpapatroma sa'yo as a trader. Fully diversified as much as possible. Kasi iba sabi nila mabagal yung gains. Mas lalong babagal kung masunog ka. Mas lalong babagal yung portfolio mo kung nasusunog ka. So, iwasan mo yun. Minsan, ang nagpapasunog sa'yo, hindi yung kabagalan ng strategy or kabagalan ng isang asset. Nagpapabagal sa'yo yung mga talo mong malalaki. Real talk lang, mas maganda mag-advance ka in learning para when you are ready to handle malaking amount, mas controlled mo na yung emotions mo. Kasi alam mo na what to do. Practice it while you are handling hundreds of thousands. When you go to the millions na side, you know what to do already. Hindi ka nakakabahan pag nag-drawdown ka ng 20% sa 5 million. Tapos yung pala, yung 5 million na yun is 5% lang ng buong capital, no? Ano pala, 100 million pala yung portfolio mo. Kung hindi ka pa ready sa ganong klaseng psychological wallet, practicein mo na ngayon. Huwag ka magmadali. Mas maganda, nag-a-advance ka in knowledge and learnings. Para when you're there, mabilis na lang hawakan yung 10 million, 20 million. Ang question na lang doon, ready ka ba doon?